Well, being in the beauty industry, I'm curious, like, what are some of the main influences that you see having an impact on people's levels of confidence?
Yeah, I mean, it's going back to what you originally said about symmetry. I get a lot of chief complaints about asymmetries, and I have that talk with all of my clients. Perfect symmetry is not possible.
Right.
They've done studies on supermodels, and the more symmetrical the two halves of any face are, the more beautiful in general the population finds those people. So, classic example of somebody who is very symmetrical was Elizabeth Taylor.
Right.
Denzel Washington also has a very symmetrical face.
Interesting.
And so then they also studied these supermodels, and they have very symmetrical faces compared to the average person running around. So given the fact that symmetry is not something that's perfectly achievable, well, then we have to look at facial harmony and balance, and how do we help their face become more balanced in their in their ratios and such. And so that's really at the forefront of my planning when I'm talking to them about procedures that we're going to do. If there's an asymmetry that we can try and correct during the procedure that we are going to be doing, yes, you can make the attempt to correct it, but I never promise perfect